Okay, I'm recording this to show how to transfer files from your machine to another external device such as a USB stick. So first off, you're going to need to find your files. If I open up my computer, and most of the files for most people are probably locally in your documents. So you go to documents, some chat logs, some other things. I have a bunch of other stuff in here. This is probably where most of your documents are. Of course, you'll have to figure out which documents you want to actively transfer. So if I put this off to the side, I'm going to go ahead, let me get it out of the way, I'm going to open up my computer again. At the base screen, there should be, I'll put it off the side a little bit, the different devices that are hooked. So right now I just have the hard drive, C, and my DVD-ROM drive. So I want to put in my USB stick. Now this goes back to kindergarten. The USB stick has a certain type of hole that it goes into, and so square peg does not go in round hole. So you need to be able to put that USB stick into one of the USB slots in your machine, which I've now just done. Once I did that, mine actually opened up the data directly to it. It depends on your machine. If it doesn't open directly to it, then also you'll notice that I have this new device here, ADATA UFD. If I double click on that, then this is inside of my USB stick that I just put on the machine. So what I would want to then do is find the files I want to copy. You can either hold down Control and select more than one. If you do Shift, it will also select more than one. Just depends on how many you want to select. You can also drag, hold down your the right mouse button and drag over and let over, and that can do more than one. Either way, you just have to find all the files you want. You select them and you say, all right, I'm going to drag this, hold down the mouse or the right mouse button as you drag over and drop them into the USB stick. Hopefully that made sense. So once you get to the other computer that you're wanting to bring the files from, you can say, all right, we'll say, ta-da, I'm on my new machine. So now I'm wanting to go from the USB stick to the other, to my local machine. So I'll open up my computer. You'll notice again there's only two things there. I'll go ahead and plug in the USB stick, and this one opened directly to it, or there's this new device here. I double click, and so I should see my documents. And then I want to open up my computer, and if you want to say put them in your new computer under your new documents, you can click on Documents. You can select the items you want to drag over and drag them over to the new place. Mine are already there, so I'll go ahead and replace the files. And that's how then I would put it on the new machine. Hopefully this helps.